Hi, I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the Expert Plumber.
And I'm Julie Wakefield with JW Etiquette.
We are Net Worth Networking. And we wanted to come to you today and talk to you today about why we talk about networking. And networking is how we have both grown our businesses. But Julie, why are you qualified to talk about networking?
So I've grown my business, JW Etiquette, through networking. I'm a certified protocol and etiquette consultant through the Protocol School of Washington. And that's how I got out. I was a teacher and decided I wanted to move into the business world, and I had to meet a whole group of people that I could work with and work on etiquette. And so I started networking and started learning the ins and outs of networking. And it's been wonderful for my business, and it's been great for you too.
You know, it's really funny. Julie first tried to get me to start networking when I started my plumbing company. And at first, I watched her network, and we're in two completely different kind of businesses. So to watch her go out and network and come in and the phone wasn't ringing a lot, I just kept telling her, Julie, it doesn't work. And she came to me one day and she says, Roger, look, your business is completely different than mine. Just come try it. So we actually went out together networking one night.
Yes, we did. It was so funny. And he said to me, we are not going to hang out together. You go your way, I'll go mine. I said, absolutely. I'm here to network and to meet people. And after a little while, I was standing in a small group of people, which is what I normally do, is go to the small groups.
I was in a big group.
Which is what he normally does. He goes to the big groups. And I look over at him, and he's surrounded by a group of people he's got his hands going, and he's talking. And all of a sudden, I start seeing people come out of his group, and they come over to me, and they said, your husband told me I needed to come talk to you. So he was feeding people to me that night. And I realized then he had found his niche.
Maybe sometimes you just find people that need etiquette training, so you send them to the etiquette consultant.
That's so not true.
And that's true. That's right. It's not. I'm joking. But we got into networking, and really, once I realized what it did for me, and Julie was watching not just what it did for her, but how it really helped me grow. And we really started getting into networking and not just helping each other, but learning how to help other people.
Exactly. That's really the bottom line of networking, is seeing who you can connect other people to and being that person that helps other people grow their business. You know, my favorite quote, I love Zig Ziglar. Mm-hmm. And he said, you can have everything you want in life as long as you help enough other people get what they want in life. And I kind of live by that, and that's the way we network, is trying to connect other people and help people grow their business.
And for us, that works. The neat thing is, once you get into networking groups, you start realizing that you build relationships with people. And this isn't just people that you're trying to get to do work for. This is actually people that are going to help tell other people about your business. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. And a networking group has been a great way for me to help build those relationships. What about you?
Well, for me, it's also been someone who will refer me to people when they meet people, and a friend might be talking to somebody who might say, we've got somebody in our office that doesn't really know how to go to a business dinner, or somebody that doesn't really know how to go to a business meeting at all. And then they might think, well, let me connect you with Julie Wakefield. She might be able to help you. And so I've grown my business that way.
So what we wanted to do, we wanted to create Net Worth Networking. And what it is, it's our way to help teach you different things about networking. We want to bring in different people to talk about networking and come up with different reasons and different things that we can do to help you. Do you agree?
Oh, absolutely. One of the top things that I get when people call me for business is we need to teach people how to network. We need to teach people how to work the room. And so I've created a class even for networking, and I know you will help people network, because people are always asking you, because you're always posting, I'm networking tonight, or I'm at this networking group, and people will come to us and say, tell us about this networking that you're doing, and how is it helping you? So we thought this might be a great idea to have this to help others learn how to network.
So what we wanted to do is create a channel where we have a place where we can bring people in, we can do videos, and we can teach people how to network. So what I would recommend is subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. That way you don't miss out on anything. What do you think?
I think that's a great idea. This is going to be a great place to get some great tips, learn about networking basics. And here's some stories about some things that have worked for us and maybe some things that haven't worked so well for us.
And there's a lot of them out there. So again, this is Julie, and I'm Roger, and we want to help you grow your net worth through networking.